Hi y'all, this is Bee Shirley with the Crafty Bee. God bless you all and thank you for stopping by. This is the long-awaited video about our kitchen island make, how we made it. I told you I'd show you how we made it and I would tell you what I learned from it. The thing that I learned from it was learning how to listen to God, like he showed me in Genesis chapter 6 when he's telling Noah how to give him the exact instructions on how to build the ark. If we listen to God and obey God, learn how to trust God's word, trust in God, and trust that he will work everything out. If we obey, that's learning to trust, and things turns out better. And you end up seeing at the end of the picture how beautiful the island turned out. We had a few things that we didn't agree on, but when we turned to God and let God asked God's guidance and trusted him, it turned out better. Like I had an idea for the countertop, but my husband wanted to do something different, and so I trusted God to let my husband make that final decision, and it turned out to be so beautiful. I love his idea on it, and it turned out wonderful. And we end up using a piece of paneling on the back side here, which is what's really the front side where everybody's at, and we did not know how God had led us to this, that it ended up matching our floor perfect. So when you trust God, go by his guidance and what his instructions are, things turns out to be so beautiful. Now I have such a wonderful, beautiful island because I trusted. So if you would, read Genesis chapter 6 and chapter 7 and learn about Noah and learn how to trust God and obey him. Well, God bless you all. I love you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. God bless you.